When simplifying expressions, sometimes it helps to read the expression from left to right, almost like it's a story that's happening. This happens, then that happens, then that happens. For example, for number 27 here, if I wanted to draw a picture of what's happening here, what I know is that we start with 12 C's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got 12 C's. And then the next thing that happens is I subtract 3 of these C's. So that's not here, and that's not here, and that's not here. And the next thing that happens is I subtract 3 more C's. That's not here, that's not here, and that's not here. And what I'm left with, it looks like, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 C's. And that would be my simplified version of that. If I look at number 29, I see that I've got all these like terms. And again, I'm going to do it left to right, like I'm telling a story. This is a bunch of K's. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 K's. And then they say add 3 more K's, okay? There's 3 more K's. And then they say, so they said start with 9 K's, add 3 K's, and they say take off 2 K's. That's gone, and that's gone. So what I'm left with, it looks like, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 K's. So my simplified answer here is 10 K's. Why don't you pause it and try the 2 to the right here. They're all like terms, so take a look. Okay, for the next one here, number 28, it looks like I get 5 J's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 J's. And then they say after that, add 2 more J's. Okay, 1, 2 more J's. And then they say add 9 more J's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a lot of J's. Let me count them all up. It looks like we have 16 J's here. And that's what I would call this. 16J. This last one, I start with 8 Y's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Y's. And the next thing says take 5 of them away. So 1 gone, 2 gone, 3 gone, 4 gone, 5 gone. Then the next thing they say put 2 more on. Okay, put 2 more on. And it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 J's. Or Y's. 5 Y's. It's my simplified version. Here they start to mix in some constants along with like terms. So we'll do 2 and then you can try 2. So let's try this first one. It starts off as 5 T's. So I've got 5 T's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T's. And then they say add on 4, but not 4 T's, just the number 4. Okay, I got that over here. And then they say add on 2 more T's. Okay, 1, 2 more T's. And it looks like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 T's. And these 4 leftovers, they can't really combine them because they're not like terms. If I try this next one to the right, number 32, there's a lot going on here. I'm starting with 6 M's, okay, and then they say take away 10. Well, I can't take it away because they're not really like terms. So I'll just write the minus 10. So it's a 6M, take away 10, okay, and then they say take away 2 M's. That I can do because I got 6 M's, now I'm down to 4 M's, and I'm still supposed to take away 10. Let me see what happens next. Minus 2 more, no, minus another M. I'm down to 3 M's, and I still have this minus 10. So I would call this 3M minus 10 as my simplified version. I'll try the bottom 2 here. Pause it, then we'll go over it. Okay, so for this next one, I start off with 7 R's. They say add more 5 R's, 5 more R's to it. I can do that, so that takes me to 12 R's, and then they say take away 12, but not 12 R's. They said take away 12 constants, things that are known. So I just have to write it as minus 12 because it doesn't have an R in it. It's not really the same thing. As I look at the next one, I start with 8. I add 3 J's to it. Then they say take away 5. All right, so 8 minus 5 is 3. Then they say take away 2 J's. Okay, so I add 3 J's. I take away 2 J's. I'm down to 1 J. And then they say add on 8 more J's here. So it looks like I have 3 plus 9J. Or if you wrote it as 9J plus 3, that's also okay because with commutative property, like we've talked about in class, addition I can do in any order I want. So they're your simplified versions.